Hello, Honor Grace Academy, the Arts Middle School. I want to share with you information regarding our behavior expectations for the middle school. Specifically want to share the behavior flowchart that you will find also in the staff handbook. And I want to remind you that we are a restorative justice district, and what that means is we want to remember that we want to help our students get to the bottom of resolving their own problems or help them resolve problems together by reteaching them the expectations. So this flow chart breaks down behaviors that are considered to be teacher and staff managed versus admin managed. You'll notice on the left-hand side, it gives you all of the different scenarios that might be considered a teacher or staff managed item. And I'll just list some of them. Non-compliance, disrespect, talking back or being rude, disruptions such as arguments or disagreements or making noises, inappropriate language, tardies for the first and second offense, property misuse, dress code, tech violations, and even horseplay. We want you to consider these interventions in terms of steps 1, step 2 for intervention 2, and then an intervention 3. Then you notice there is a right-hand side of this flowchart, and these are what we would consider the admin managed items. All of these items would be considered major offenses, such as skipping or cheating, plagiarism, forgery, property damage, out of bounds or inappropriate areas of verbal threats. Of course, any offenses related to substance abuse, physical aggression or fighting, weapons. These types of things are all major behaviors. And so I'm going to share with you what a behavior tracker looks like. That can also be located in our staff manual. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's considered teacher managed versus admin managed. We want to keep in mind that we want to keep our students in class as much as possible. And so we can provide you additional support if you need to step outside of the room to speak to someone by simply calling the SSC room. That's 5076 to reach Miss Kyla, Miss Lexis, or Miss Sophia. And either of them could step into your classroom while you step out to speak to a student. Or if you do need to complete a behavior tracker for a major offense, we just want to remember that you need to document that information in a specific way, so I'll go over that form with you separately. Thank you for taking a moment to listen, and just remember, we always want to do the very best to keep our students in class so that they can remember it is time to learn, and we need them to stay focused on their learning, but we will help them along the way by redirecting them and reteaching the behavior that we expect. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Kimberly Monroe, or Mrs. McAllister, Christine McAllister. We can both be reached by stopping by